Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we actually have a lot of tea, okay? So, so for some context, it's me and Pranjal here. So me and Pranjal at lunch, right? We sit with two of our friends and then a group of guys. A group of Indian senior guys, okay? That are trolls. That are trolls, yes. And they're very big trolls and they're a lot to handle, okay? They're a lot to even talk to. So we're sitting with them, and today something happened. And one, taste that we're gonna take a little break, and we're gonna taste a pomegranate blueberry energy drink from Black and have low expectations. Not holy fucking shit, that shit's fast. Yeah, it's okay. Okay. So, we're sitting at lunch, and one of the guys, right? And this guy is the one that is the most troll. He's very. I don't think there's anyone more troll than him. Yeah, there's literally not. Like, he's always, like, barking, or he's always swearing, or saying the N word. Like, okay? So, a bunch of stuff, right? He barked. Yeah, he did. He barked for 3 minutes straight. Okay? He was meowing and he was barking and he was touching people. Like he said, he likes to get his dick touched. Like, there was a bunch of shit. Okay? So this guy's a little short. So today he got really mad. Like really mad to the point where he was gonna punch the guy who provoked him. So there's two guys, right? They sit right next to each other. Okay, there's one here and then there's one like right there. Okay, so it's like two like this. So what happened is the guy closer to us, he is dating a black girl. And okay, perfectly normal, like you know what? Like he's Indian by the way. Perfect normal. You know, like you can date whoever you want. Like, you know, like who is anyone to say anything? But his friend, the guy who's a troll, he was like, oh my gosh, you're dating a black girl, and he was making fun of him, and he was calling him the N word. He was like, you know what? Not so appropriate, but he was like making hella fun of him. And then the guy who was dating the black girl obviously felt really bad. So what did this guy do? So this guy, right? He picked up the other guy's lunch, which was like a taco. It was like two tacos. It was not. It was like this big. It was two small tacos. And he picked it up and he threw it in the trash. And then this guy, he got so mad. Like he got so pissed. Okay, little break, guys.
This lab is part of your major grade, right? So I have to have the demo for this lab. Remember that, and I'll have few questions, right? So
When will we have that?
this is due by when? What is the due date I have given for the lab?
January 20th.
Okay.
So next week.
So by next
Tuesday.
week.
So you'll be taking your test Friday, and the lab will be due by next Tuesday, right?
Alright.
And there is a presentation. But make sure you are giving as much information as possible, right? That's a minor grade. So just remember that. And that's it. Today and tomorrow you'll be working on your labs and presentation. And
Open up the thing.
Friday we'll be taking your
Okay,
test.
so where do we
Remember,
leave
your
off, right?
test will not be like your
We
quiz,
were
not
talking
going to
about
be
that. So
concept
this guy
based,
gets
right?
so
It's going
pissed.
to
Like,
be your
let me tell you, he was so pissed because the other guy threw away his food. And he was like, wait, bro, let's wait first.
You need to select the output, right? So just like the worksheet, that is how your test will be.
Oh, wait.
Oh my gosh, I didn't show you. I made thumbnails for our YouTube. I have to show you. Like, let me pull it up right now. You're on one of them. Wait, show it to me later. No, don't show it. At least decrease your volume.
When you have done your worksheet, usually if you have understood those questions, you should be good. But remember, one
for that.
minor grade is your project and time management. So if I see that you are constantly engaged in discussions or off task, I'm marking you for that particular day. So next week I'll be entering the grades for your.
Okay, so we're back. Our break is over. This might not be edited. Okay, anyways, so So this guy got so mad, he got so pissed, and he was like literally about to kill someone, you could tell. So he picked up this other guy's backpack, he literally picked it up. He went over to the trash can, and he like dunked it in the trash can, like he made it touch the food, and then he pulled it back out. And then he did, and then he did it again. Wait, this is really interesting. So, and then he did it again, and then he swung it around, like, and he like swung with it, like he was just like spinning it around, and then he threw it. The dance. Like the
No,
one
no, no.
with
You
the
know the
spin.
track. No, you know the track.
Oh,
Do you know what
yeah.
I'm talking about?
The disc throw?
No, the ball.
Yeah.
Ball, not the disc.
No, but he went like this.
Oh wait.
That's like a different one. It doesn't matter. Wait, we can show them. Come here.
No.
Show, give me your hand.
Show it.
And you're supposed to like turn. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't. Okay, whatever. Okay, well, you get the idea. He did that and then he threw it. And then this other guy got so mad, and you could tell he was embarrassed. Like, you could tell he was like, what the frick is this? Yeah, he did. He was so embarrassed. He was so really embarrassed. And it was embarrassing to both of them. And then, this other guy, can you open the, but then the, oh my
Yeah, another thing today we have the serious club meeting. So if you would like to be part of the different teams, if you are given your name, you must be present there today.
I'm gonna be leaving school early, so I won't be.
Then you cannot be part of any of the teams.
If there's no
You have to be
four,
present today.
what? But I have an indisciplinary. Like, I can't be.
I think all the teams you are going to.
Yeah,
Are you going to make a bond or get the contact number?
I already have her contact.
Douglas, just make sure you are having attendance.
Yeah, I'll take a note.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you, John. 168. But why does the Putty never work? There's an app on a computer called Putty, like Putty, and it never works. Like, it doesn't work.
So what are you going to do for next year? CS classes.
Ooh, I don't know. I might, or I might do like CS2 online. Just because I haven't done.
What about there is a data science class also?
Oh
which
yeah,
Mr.
is that
Shabbat has, right?
CS?
I think it is that much for both CS and math.
Okay, I can do that. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I've already taken it.
Which one? Prerequisite.
I've already taken it. Oh, it worked. Okay, logging. Okay, let's go back to the story. So this guy, right, he was dunking his backpack and then he spun it and he threw it around and the other guy got so, like the guy with the black outfit, he got so mad. Wait, I feel like it's okay, let's say Troll 1, Troll 2.
No, but that's confusing for us. Troll 1, Troll, and then just a bit, yeah.
Okay. So Dit is the one with the girl. Wait, maybe. No, no one's gonna watch it, bro. Literally, no, I know. Zero views. Okay, and then so Dit is the one with the girlfriend, and then Troll is the one who's like a troll, right? And so Troll picked up this backpack and he like spun it around and he threw it. Like he threw it like it slid across the floor.
There you go.
And hold on. Wait, I have to finish. And then Jay got so mad, so he opened like a what is it, like a cup of ranch, like the ranch thing, and he was about to pour it on Troll's head, and then Troll was like, all my life if you do that right now I'm gonna punch you, like do it, like I dare you to do it, and he didn't do it, and then like they both were like arguing and they were both really mad. Well, actually no, Troll was really mad. Jay was just embarrassed as shit, and then all of the other people, which were like There were three spectators on their side and then 4 on ours. So there were 7 spectators, okay? and they were just like, and then
We're all
no, wait, I was actually so concerned. I was like,
Wait, I was concerned too.
I was like, troll, are you okay? Like, what the crap?
I was laughing at the things he was saying were so stupid.
Oh yeah. He kept like making fun of Dick. Anyways, so wait, well, where was I? Anyway, so then Troll was like on my life, I could take you in a fight any day of the week. And then he said some shit about his girlfriend. He was like, oh yeah, you're like, he was like talking to Dave. He was like, oh my gosh, your girlfriend, like all of my best friends. Like she's had all of my best friends. And like she's literally a whore, like I don't mess with her. And then Dave was like, bro, what the fuck are you saying? Can you stop shit talking to my girlfriend? And then it was like a whole dramatic showdown. Actually it was not. It was like really chill. Because Dave was just embarrassed. But like but then Troll like was like really mad, and then he was like, wait, what did he say? He was like, all my life when someone's hungry and they throw away my food.
The biggest thing that pisses me off is when I'm hungry and someone.
Huh? Yeah, there's 3 videos on it.
Oh my lord.
Can you go follow and check?
I was trolling in the background.
It's okay. But I think I have to cut it down. It's been like 10 minutes. But every part of it is important except for the one in the middle. Anyway, so then basically it was like a whole thing, and I'm probably gonna ask him like what happened, or like because like we can ask. Wait, Troll. Yeah, I'll ask Troll. Wait, Troll's been on Delivered for Wait, yeah, I've left him on Delivered for like 3 days.
What did he ask?
So let me tell y'all.
You didn't tell me.
I didn't tell you. I didn't tell anyone. Okay. Listen. So, Troll is a we forgot to tell the kid. Okay, listen. Do you like it? Okay. We have to. Yeah. I genuinely hate her guts. I actually hate it. Let's open the nano. Can you open it? Open this.
What did you do though?
Just copy it, bro. You should know by now that nano is coming
That's
to
what I was
open.
typing.
Oh, then open it.
It was not.
Open it.
Wait, did I just copy it?
Oh my goodness gracious.
Dude,
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. No, you're not even in the right folder.
That's why I said that.
Go to the CD booked it inventory. Okay, but basically our speculation of like me and her boyfriend, it was like we were like deciding that maybe Troll is just mad at Did because Did has a girlfriend and Troll doesn't, and Troll has been looking for a girlfriend and he's just like, it's one of those days, you know, when he's lonely and he wants a girlfriend. So that was our hypothesis. And then why he's on Delivered for 3 days? Why I've left him on Delivered? Because why did you put .py? .py is for a Python file. Wait, just go up. Yeah, okay. And so then, let me tell y'all what happened. So, Troll asked me a month ago, maybe. Yeah, this was a month ago. Troll asked me a month ago. He was like, "Hey, I'll pay you if you can get me a girlfriend." And he said that. He texted her. He said it to me. And I was like, "What?" And he was like, "Yeah, like if you get me a girlfriend, I'll pay you $120." And I was like,
never told me this.
Yo, sorry, I forgot.
Never.
I know I didn't tell anyone. I didn't tell anyone. Wait, I feel like I'm not supposed to tell you this.
It's okay.
But I asked him like, can I get Franjo and Jessica to help? And he was like, no, I don't want them to know that I'm looking for one. Wait, no, what is it? I'm
You're just that
close with him. Anyways, so
interesting.
so then he was like, get me, and he was like, get
Jessica
me
would
an
be able
ABG.
to.
That's what I said. That's what like,
Like,
you know,
I
Jessica.
can't.
It's because he
Jessica.
wants an ABG. He's Indian, by the way, and he wants an ABG. So he was like, can you give me an ABG? And then you know what he said? You can't tell anyone. No, like, there's no one watching this anyways. He said, I want an ABG that can give me head.
I mean,
And that,
I feel like that's something he would say.
he was,
But it was like all
Things
serious.
you are going to
he was dead serious, and I was like, what? And he was like, yeah, I'll pay you $120 to get me an ABG who will give me head. So I'm like, I'm scouting, I'm sending him screenshots of Instagram profiles, and he's like, no, not that one, no, not that one. Wait, but like, I don't know if they would give me, like, I don't ask people, hey, would you get that? Like, I don't ask people that. So I don't know, like, why he expected me to do. Let's work. So. Wait. And then like, and then what do you do after this? Create total price. Oh, I know. It's just such a pain. I have to type all of this, bro.
What, like,
Do you think it's like interesting learning something out of it?
for SQL? I learned last year.
Oh, we did it in right. Did we? Yeah, towards the end, the last module.
I like it. I
like
think
it
it's very
also.
interesting. I like the queries. I think they're very interesting.
It's easier, right? Yeah.
It's easier than
Are we
AWS.
learning the...
You know, I've been using AWS for my project. I told you this, but
Actually, what is
okay,
the
so
project? From what you're working
so
on?
there's like a challenge. It's like a presidential AI challenge. It's like a national like project. And so I've been working. You know Vivek, I've been working with him and like some other people on the project, and we're basically doing like a crime detection, like web server where we like put in videos from S3, like we stream it automatically, and then recognition takes frames, and then it recognizes people, and then you send it over to Lambda, and then it runs like a code, and then that will compute like a suspicion score based on whatever's happening in the footage, and then that goes into a DynamoDB table, and then they call Claude like as an AI thing, and then they call Claude, and then if Claude says yes, that's like a crime, then you'll send an SMS back to the dashboard, and then you'll
So you are using all of the services.
that kind of.
Can you make a demo for our class sometime?
I mean, I've been trying to, but there's just so many errors. Like, I've been trying to fix them, and there's, like, errors in my Lambda, there's, like, errors in my recognition, so I've been trying to do, like,
So have
all
you
of it.
created an account, AWS account, and are you
It's the one that we use for school.
using this or are you able to?
Wait, wait, sorry, no, it's my home.
I don't think
It's
so.
my email.
You should have
It's my email.
created
Yeah.
a free. You
I
have a
have-
free account for a
Yes,
year, right?
I have my personal email, so that's a free account, and then I made all the users and the roles and stuff, and then I was looking at CloudWatch logs yesterday to see, and it was like very interesting. I think it like helped me understand like how AWS actually works, so I think it's very good.
But I think probably sometime even whether it's working or not, at least the overview of it.
Yeah, like
you
a
approach the
slideshow.
solution, something like that, make a presentation and
Yeah.
that for the class.
Yeah, I
right?
might, yeah. Yeah.
Maybe in the 6 weeks, once we are done with all the modules, you
Yeah.
can do that presentation.
Yeah, let's work on this.
Very
Thanks. Why? No one's watching them except you, bro. Only you and Pranjal maybe, but Pranjal doesn't even support my dreams. No, Pranjal hates my dreams and aspirations to become a famous YouTuber.
That's your dream? Oh gosh.
I just checked my phone.
They're not out.
I'm not. Are you sure?
They're not out. Wait, transcripts?
Yeah.
I checked like yesterday.
They're out.
No, they're not.
I just checked mine. Mine's out.
Yours out? Yo, no freaking way. Wait, I don't want anyone to see my. Bro, what if I'm? No, I'll
Wait, but
check
didn't you
it.
get all of them?
I got 1B. Guys, we're checking my transcript.
You always got
I'm very scared. I'm very scared. What if I'm not top 10 anymore?
Bro, what? I know.
No, top.
That'd be-
No, bro, I'm not that smart, bro. Okay. Wait, it doesn't change.
Huh?
They're not out for me.
Doesn't?
They're not out for me. Oh, they are, but
No.
my GPA isn't updated.
Yeah. It showed like the course of what you got.
It shares my. Okay, never mind, guys. False alarm. False alarm. Okay. Where were we? Okay, the troll guy. No, we were talking about his girlfriend. Okay, so the troll guy, he wants an ABG. He wants an ABG that would give him that. So I was screenshotting Instagram profiles and I was like, what about this one? What about this one? He was like, no, this is never gonna work out. Like, this is just not working. Like, maybe I'm just. I don't know if he said this. He was like, maybe I'm doomed to be alone forever. Like, he was in his feelings. Okay. I was like, no, don't worry, you'll find someone. And he was like, tell you what, I'll pay you $10 for your service. He was, or like for whatever you did, because I like spent time trying to find him a girlfriend, right? So he was like, okay, I'll pay you $10, and I was like, wait, are you serious? And he was like, yeah. And then it's kind of not cute, because you know who didn't get the $10? So he told me he'd get me $10 at school, and I was like, okay, great. You know, school came, school went. I forgot about it. Then I went home, and then I was like, "Where are my $10?" He's like, "Oh, my bad. You're not getting cash. I don't." No, that's not what happened. I was walking in the science stairwell. Okay, I was walking to physics, and I saw him, and I was like, "Hey, where's my money?" And he was like, "Bro, I'm not paying you no fucking money. You just got scammed." That's what he told me, and I got really mad at him. So then I like went home and I texted him. I was like, "What the frick is this?" And he was like, "Okay, my bad. What do you want instead? I don't have cash." And I was like, "Can you buy me Chipotle?" And he was like, "Yeah, I'll buy you Chipotle." And I was like, "Yes." And I was like, "Can you get it for me for school tomorrow?" And he was like, "No, I'm gonna eat it if I like keep it. You're gonna have to like get it. Like you're gonna have to like." He said he'd pick me up and we'd get Chipotle. I was like, "You know what? Whatever for the Chipotle." What? That's so Stop. Anything for the Chipotle, am I right? And so I was like, okay, it's not worth it. It is worth it. It's worth whatever, doing whatever. Okay. So then I was like, okay, great, like, you know, I'll get Chipotle or whatever. And then he was like, and then I texted him, but he was in Mexico over winter break. So he was like, when I come back. So I was like, okay.
That's how long ago this is?
Yeah, I texted him January. He said he was coming back on the 6th. This was a while ago. That's why I forgot to tell you, because it was a while ago.
I thought this was like last week or something.
No, but it's been going on for a while. So like he texted me 3 days ago because I asked him where my Chipotle was. He was like, you just got scammed. So now I'm actually gonna get really mad at him because I really want my Chipotle and he promised me Chipotle and you can't do that. You can't promise me Chipotle and then not give it to me. You know how much that hurts? Like, oh my gosh, don't ever do that to guys. Okay, wait. Guys, don't ever do that to someone because it like really hurts when you promise them something and then you don't give it to them.
So I promised you Chipotle, and then I'm telling you to come
No,
back.
you're not my friend anymore. Okay, can we work? No.
Think about the alarm.
Maybe I can blackmail him. I have blackmail material on him. Maybe I can tell people that.
Wait, who is it?
No one.
I actually might know.
Huh?
I probably know
Yes.
it. Is it AB?
No. You think Amy would offer to pick me up and give me Chipotle when he has a full-on girlfriend? He would not do that. Anyways. Okay, well, we're gonna end it now because now I'm sad. Bye, guys.